Hey guys, this is Crypto Hodler and welcome back to a brand new video. I know I haven't been posting in a while and I apologize for that. I've just been very sick and stressed out, so I thought I'd take a break before I can resume. But I'm actually starting to feel a lot better now, so I wanted to continue posting. And so you guys can start expecting videos every other day just like before from now on. And with that being said guys, I just wanted to update you guys with this quick video on what's going on in the market right now. So I'm sure a lot of you guys already know that Elon Musk just tweeted saying that Tesla stopped accepting Bitcoin as means of payment for purchasing their car. The reason being, Bitcoin transactions apparently have a massive carbon footprint, which of course is detrimental to the environment and against Tesla's policies. Now this is where it gets really interesting guys, check this out. Elon Musk also stated that they're looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy. Interestingly enough, just a day prior to this tweet, Musk held a poll on Twitter asking if Tesla should start accepting Doge for payments, which had over 4 million people participating and over 78% voting yes to this. Also, another really interesting fact that I want to let you guys know is that Dogecoin consumes way less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy for a transaction, and we all know how Elon Musk has been pushing Dogecoin all this while. Here's a comparison of energy consumption of some of the top cryptos and Dogecoin. As you guys can clearly see, Dogecoin consumes less than 0.12 kilowatt hour per transaction, whereas Bitcoin on the other hand consumes 707 kilowatt hour of energy every transaction. So quick maths, 1% of 707 would be 7.07, and that would still be way higher than the energy consumption made by Dogecoin transactions, which sit around 0.12 kilowatt per hour. Now we've definitely seen Doge take a 40% dip lately after the SNL event, but I strongly believe that this is only temporary. The amount of publicity Doge has received in the past few months has even surpassed Bitcoin, and I think nothing else is more important for a coin than this. People talk about fundamentals and utility all the time, but I can almost guarantee that 99% of people trading in cryptocurrencies right now are here just to make profits. Most people don't even know the use case of coins in their own portfolio, and it's not that Doge cannot have a utility. The basic use case of a currency is to be used as a mode of exchange, and just think about this guys, what would be the most satisfying outcome when all of these currencies are fighting each other claiming to be the best, and out of nowhere a currency that started off as a joke ends up being the one used by everyone. I definitely think that using Doge would have a lot more benefits than using fiat, especially if Doge starts being used internationally, which in my opinion is definitely achievable considering how far it has come. There would be no foreign exchange fees and everyone could just use Doge to buy whatever they want. Of course this depends entirely on the community, which is why I believe Doge has one of the strongest communities in the crypto market right now, which gives me even more reason to believe in it. Also, if you're going to talk about fundamentals, Bitcoin should have been dead a long time ago. Almost every other cryptocurrencies these days is better than Bitcoin in terms of fundamentals. The only advantage that Bitcoin has over other cryptos is the fact that it's the first mover and also the most talked about crypto, and that's the only reason people are willing to pay such high prices for it. If people weren't willing to pay such prices for Bitcoin, it would literally be worth nothing, and this isn't even an expression guys. The value of Bitcoin would go down to zero if people weren't willing to pay anything for it. Now, do I think that's ever gonna happen? Absolutely not. There are 9 billion people on earth, and if you end up thinking that Bitcoin is worth nothing, there's always gonna be someone that thinks otherwise. Hype is the only thing that has gotten Bitcoin to where it's at. The only other coin that I see being hyped as much as Bitcoin right now is Doge. People that don't know shit about cryptocurrencies ask me what Doge is, which only makes me realize how insanely popular it is. All of these people, the first time they step into cryptos, I bet you their first purchase is most probably gonna be Doge. Some of you might say that Doge is not deflationary and so it's gonna have much more supply than demand in the future, which is not true. While it's true that Doge doesn't have a hard cap on its supply, but it does have a soft cap on how much Doge can be mined in a year, which means it has a fixed rate of inflation. And just because a coin is deflationary doesn't always mean it's better. Deflationary coins are more bound to whale attacks than inflationary coins because as the supply for a coin increases, the percentage of tokens held by whales for an inflationary coin also decreases, which makes it even better for a crypto to be used as an actual currency. And also, Dogecoin developers have already stated that if they wanted, they can actually in fact put a hard cap on the supply of Doge or even burn billions of tokens to increase demand, but they're not doing it because of all of these drawbacks that a deflationary coin has. Another really important thing that I wanted to discuss is about the Shiba Inu coin. While it's been really good for some people that jumped in early on it, I think a good analogy would be to think that if Doge is Bitcoin or Ethereum, then Shiba Inu would be Bitcoin Gold or Ethereum Classic. I guess that should sum everything up. So that was pretty much all for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please do not forget to leave a like to this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.